Hello there. We are at the Image Analysis and Spatial Statistics homepage, and what we're going to do in this brief video is look at the ImageJ software package, which can be used to draw out data from images, to work out areas of coverage and to work out numbers of particular data points and distances and the like. So we're going to have a demonstration of that. So go to the resources page of the website, and here we can see various software packages for download. They're freely downloadable, and you can click on ImageJ here to download it. So when ImageJ is downloaded and installed, you start it up and you get just a little picture like this, just a little set of bars. I'll zoom it in. Okay, so you can see you've got the various sort of regular things: file, edit, image, things like this. So what we can do is we can open an image. So file, open. So what should we look at? Well, the backgrounds of the people taking this course is quite varied, but everybody knows about Game of Thrones probably. So here we have a map of Westeros, which is the fantasy kingdom from Game of Thrones. So we open the map and we can zoom to 100% size. Now what we have here is the full resolution of our image. Now the image can be a picture of the moon, it can be anything you like. So what we can see here is we've got the different kingdoms. We've got the Starks here with the wolf, and we've got the northern wastes. We've got these fish guys, whoever they are, coming up. Anyway, so we can work out lots of things from this. So maybe we're interested in working out how much land each of the kingdoms has. So to do that, we can take our toolbar here. So underneath this, underneath the file, we have various other boxes. So we can work out the polygon area with the third one along, this symbol here. So when we've got that selected, let's work out how much area these flower guys have got. So you put a click on there where you want to start, and then you can just about see maybe that I am drawing a polygon around the kingdom. You can make this as exact as you want to. The more clicks you place, the more exact you are, depending on your needs for the analysis. Okay, and when you finish the box, going back to the original place, you can then analyze your results. So then you would go to analyze and measure. Now that will give you an area in pixels that you've just marked out. If I open another one now, so if I want to do the area around King's Landing, it's just the same. I just start clicking, click, click, click. And I go to analyze again and measure again. So now that's put that there. So the King's Landing area is about 1/5 of the reach. That's about right. But maybe we're not interested in areas. Maybe we're interested in distances that people would have to travel between locations. So say for example your family has been murdered and you're running from River Run to King's Landing, then you'd get this marker. This is for making routes, the 5th one along underneath file. So you click on the start at River Run and drag your point to King's Landing, and again go to analyze and measure. Now what it does is it gives you a length in pixels, 243 pixels to make that march Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Now maybe you're interested in working out something else. For example, how many of a particular thing are in a particular area. So in this case, maybe it would be a nice idea to see how many towns there are in 2 of these neighbouring kingdoms. So then we would go to Analyze, in the Plugins drop down, and then we'd go to Cell Counter. Now what we have here, firstly we have different types of cells. So we could have, for example here, 8 different types of cities in the Reach, Lannister cities, you know, whatever you want to call them. So firstly you have to initialize the count. That makes the map go small for some reason, so we have to go to Image, Zoom, View at 100% again. Right, now let's start with the Reach. So what we have here, we're going to call the cities in the Reach type 1. So there we are. I just selected type 1 cells and I'm clicking on each city, 1, 2, and as I'm clicking they're adding up, and they're also putting markers on the map. So this way you can make sure you don't count the same city twice. Okay, I've marked all of those. So this is 14 so far. But now I want to mark the ones in the Lannister area just north. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they're all marked too as well. So you can see that it's counting up as it goes. It's got 14 type 1s, 9 type 2s. And you can also go to Results, and that just gives you a count as well that you can export to another piece of software. So if you want any other instructions on ImageJ, please check the PDF, but it's a very simple program, and that's some of the most basic functionality but still powerful functionality that it offers. Thank you for listening. Bye.